Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the event ID error message 56 from source applications pop-up cannot be found. Either the component that processes this event is not installed on your local computer or the installation is corrupted. You can install or repair the component on the local computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type new at device manager. And then click mo lang to open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select yung display adapters. And then click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-update yung kanyang drivers. Kung paano ba natin yan i-update. So, select lang natin tong drivers and then right-click. And then, select mo lang dito yung update drivers. And then, pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then, select lang natin to search automatically and then click lang natin yan. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin itong device manager. So, dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And the next step, first mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So, ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang itong restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix event ID 56 applications pop-up in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.